Okay, so the examiner gave you the direction. He or she said next road on the left or right, or at the end, go left or right. Soon as they give you the direction, what's the first thing you should be thinking? What is the first thing you should come to your mind soon as you get the direction? The first thing you should come to your mind is, where is the road? Where am I going? That's the first thing. Because without knowing where you are going, you don't really know when to do your sequence, which is the MSPSL routine. For you to look at the mirror, for you to put the signal on, you need to know where the road is. You don't want to do it too early and you don't want to do it too late. And for you to do it on time, you need to know where the road is. So imagine you're driving in this road here. You're driving, okay? And your examiner said for you to take the next road on the left. Now, if the road is obvious, then you know where the road is because you could see the road. What if the road is not obvious? Maybe there's a big van here blocking the view. Maybe plenty of parked cars here and you can't see the road is here. So soon as this is your car, soon as your examiner said for you to go next road on the left, the first thing you should be thinking is, where is the road? And then look for the clues. If you can't see the road, if the road isn't obvious, then look for the clues. And the clues are, you could see where the road is, maybe because you saw the pavement going in, so you know where the road is. Maybe you saw the road markings, okay? You'll have the road markings here. You will see the car in front going in, maybe the car coming out from there, okay? Look on top of the building. So there's buildings here, buildings there. And if there's a gap in the building on the top, what does that mean? There could be a road in there. There could be a road, okay? Same with the right. You want to go right, you can't see where the road is. Look for the clues. Look the road going in, look for the pavement, look for the road markings. Top of the building, look for the clues by knowing if there's a gap in the building, because there's building there, there's no buildings here on the top. You will see there's a gap and you know that's a road. Okay, cars going in, cars coming out. If the examiner said at the end go left or right, the reason you know that's the end, because that's the end. The road is not going ahead. Maybe there's houses there, maybe there's bushes there, and because of that, you know that's the end, and you know the end is coming up, so you could prepare yourself to go left or right. Okay. Hi, if you are learning to drive or you are training to become a driving instructor, we have an online course for you. So if you're a learner, we have an online course for you for manual and automatic. And if you're training to become a driving instructor, we have an online course for you for your ADI Part 2 and ADI Part 3. Please check the description for the links of the courses. Have a look and have a read. If you like it, you could always join the course. So in the exam, in your driving test, soon as the examiner says to you, take the next road on the left, take the next road on the right, or at the end of the road, go left or right, first thing should come to your mind is, where is the road? So find where the road is. If it's obvious, then you know where it is. If it's not, look for the clues. So for example, now, if the examiner said for you to go next road on the left, it's not obvious. I can't see what the next road is. So what should you be looking for? Look for the clues. I just saw the car just come out from there, the red car. So I know there's a road here because I saw the car just coming out from that road. Okay. Now I could see the road. I could see the gap in the building. If I look on the top, I could see there's a gap in the building. Okay. So I'm going to go left here. So I know that's the road. So the first clue I saw, I knew the road was here, was because the red car was coming out from that junction. Okay. If you if you go back and look at the clip again, you'll see there was a red car coming out from there. Okay. For here, what if the examiner said, here, take the next road on the left? Okay, it's not obvious, I can't see. So what should I be looking for? Look for the clues. Okay, I'm looking. Can you see it now? Look on the top, there's a gap. Can you see here? Road markings. There's a gap in the building. So these are the clues you should be looking for. The more you look, more earlier you'll know. I mean, here, the road on the left. Can you see? The bike wants to go left. I could see the pavement. I could see the road markings. Also the gap in the building. Okay. So the more you look, more you read, more if you're thinking, you will get here. If you don't think, you won't get here. Okay. It's all about, what am I looking for? Well, it's all about thinking about the right thing. Okay. Here I'm going to wait for that car because the road is narrow. I'm sure you know the meeting situation or the meeting oncoming traffic. This was the case. If there's no space, you wait. So at the end, the examiner said go left. Mirror, mirror. How do I know that's the end? I know because at the end, the road is not going ahead. I could see the buildings at the end. I could see those bushes. Look out for that child. We're going to go left here. So I knew that's the end because, can you see over there? It's building at the end. So I know that's the end. Okay? Take the next road on the right. Next on the right. Look for the road where the road is. I know that's the road where the van just came out from. Okay, I could see the road now. I could see the road markings. I could see the blue car coming out from there. So these are the clues. Okay. I go in there. Take the next road on the left. That's what the examiner said. Take the next road on the left. Mirror, mirror. Look for the road. Can you see the road? Yes, I can over there. Can you see it? Because I saw the gap in the building. I also saw the road marking. Okay. So I just wanted to wake you up, give you something to think about. Because many times it's all about thinking the right thing in your head. Soon as the examiner says next road on the left, what the learners are doing, like I said, they are confused. They just don't know when to do the signal. They get nervous. If they're thinking the right thing in their head, the first thing they should be thinking is where is the road? Then they will look for the clues. If it's obvious, you know where the road is. If not, then you'll be look for the road. And the things that you're looking for is, like I said, look for the clues. Gonna go left at the end. Mirror, mirror. That's the end. We're gonna go left. How do we know? Because the building's at the end. The road is not going ahead, so we know that's the end. So that was the clue. Here, look for the road. Look on your right. There's a gap in the building. We know that's a road on my right. There's a road on my left. I know because there's a gap in the building on the top. You could see there's a road on the left. There's a road on my right. I know because gap in the building again. There's a road. I could see the road marking now. Okay, here I could see a road on my left, road on my right. Why? Gap in the building. Gap in the building. Road marking. Road marking. So I know there's roads. Okay. And like I said, it's not just about because the examiner said for you to go left and right, you're looking for clues. Look for the clues anyway as you're driving. That way, because just because you're not going left or right, it doesn't mean the problem is not going to come from there. Okay? Like I said over there was a road on my left and right. Now, I might not be going on those roads, but it doesn't mean I shouldn't be reading and knowing there's a road there. I mean, the road here, road here. What could happen? There could be somebody coming out from that road. There could be somebody going into that road. And if I know there's a road already there, that way I'm prepared if there's a car coming from there. Okay? So one thing, if the examiner said for you to go left and right, look for the clues if it's not obvious, but read the road anyway as you're driving. I mean, here I know there's a road here. What could happen here? There could be somebody coming out from that road. There could be a car coming from that road. So if I know there's a road, I am prepared for that road. I'm ready if there's a car coming. I'm thinking there could be a car, so I'm ready in case something happens. Remember, the more you know, more you are ready for unexpected. The more you are ready, more you are prepared. Okay? You'll have the confidence knowing if there's a problem, I'm ready. Okay? For example, here, I know there's a car coming. So what do? There's no space. The car is going in. I know there's a road here because the car is going in there. So now I could see there's a road. Okay? Now I'm thinking, is anybody else coming from that road? Okay? I'm thinking here, they could move, they could move. Okay? Is there any road? Look on my right. What do you think? There's a gap here. Can you see? There's a gap. Now I know there's a road. Now I could see clearly. Okay? I could see clearly. I'm going to let them go and see what they do. And I'm going to wait here. And I'm going to let them go. So here, that road wasn't obvious. We looked on the top. There was a gap. And I knew there's a road. And then I'm going to go. So I hope the video helps. If you need extra help on Learn to Drive and to pass your driving test, don't forget to take the advantage of our online course, which gives everything a learner needs. The course gives you everything you need for you to learn and for you to pass the driving test. It has everything a learner needs. I will leave a link on the description for you to have a look. Have a look and see and read. If you like it, you could always join the course. Thank you for watching. I hope the video helps. If it does, please do give it a thumbs up. Please do make a comment what you think of the video. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so don't miss any of my future videos, and hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.